again?
Well, it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the right. Alright. Hope you got your things together. Hope you are quite prepared today. Looks like we're in for nasty weather. One eye is taken for an eye. Well, don't go around tonight, but it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the right. Don't go around tonight, but it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the right.
Good job, Z. Good job.
Yep.
Come on, guys. Your first episode. Take it down.
Yeah.
Bark at the moon. Is melting torment, buried in a neighbor's grave. Now he has risen,
5%.
miracles would have to say. Knows that the beast is
Come out.
people.
Yeah, you're on.
Bark at the moon.
Cap.
And though his time is so gone, he can be burning hell unholy one. But he's returned to prove them wrong, so wrong. Yeah, baby.
T.
You got enough man that got him up points.
Chart.
Good job.
Now you're gonna be stuck like that, Zero.